Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to reset settings on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see on the third position we've got reset all settings, so let's tap on it. Here your device is informing you that it will restore some function settings to defaults, including function switches, options, etc., personalized settings and content filled in during setup. So let's tap on reset all settings. Here your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because this operation cannot be undone. So tap on reset all settings if you're ready and if you are sure you want to do it, and let's wait. As you can see, right now your device will be restarted, and after turning it on automatically, all the settings will be reset. So actually this is it. This is how to reset all settings in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.